Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss Niti Aayog. On 13th August 2014, a significant shift occurred in India's governance landscape as the Modi government abolished the long-standing Planning Commission, giving way to a new institution. This marked the inception of the National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, on 1st January 2015, which aimed to revolutionize policy making in the country. Establishment and nature of Niti Aayog. The Niti Aayog, like its predecessor, was formed through an executive resolution, signifying its non-constitutional and non-statutory status. Serving as the premier policy think tank of the government, Niti Aayog offers strategic direction and policy recommendations to both the centre and the states. Shift in policy paradigm. Contrary to the centralized approach of the Planning Commission, Niti Aayog emphasizes a collaborative, partnership-based model, promoting genuine cooperation between the centre and the states. It embraces a bottom-up approach, fostering federalism and incorporating diverse viewpoints. Rationale for transition. The decision to replace the Planning Commission stemmed from the acknowledgement of India's evolving socio-political and economic landscape. As articulated by the Union government, Niti Aayog aimed to align with contemporary needs, fostering innovation and inclusivity in national development strategies. Objectives and composition. The multifaceted objectives of Niti Aayog encompass cooperative federalism, knowledge dissemination, policy formulation, and implementation oversight. Its composition, ranging from the Prime Minister as chairperson to expert special invitees, reflects a diverse pool of expertise. Specialized wings and functions. Niti Aayog's specialized wings, including research and consultancy, serve as hubs for innovation and collaboration. Its functions span policy design, cooperative federalism promotion, monitoring, and serving as a knowledge and innovation hub. Guiding principles and pillars of governance. Guided by principles of inclusivity, empowerment, and sustainable development, Niti Aayog stands on the pillars of pro-people governance, participative decision-making, and technological integration. Cooperative federalism. Central to Niti Aayog's ethos is cooperative federalism, aiming to empower states and foster equitable development. Through forums like the Gunning Council, Niti Aayog endeavors to ensure active state participation and consensus building. Criticism and response. Despite its transformative aspirations, Niti Aayog has faced criticism, particularly regarding its corporatization and perceived dilution of federal principles. Opposition voices have raised concerns over its efficacy and ideological motivations. Attached offices. Niti Aayog oversees two critical offices, the National Institute of Labour Economics Research and Development and the Development Monitoring and Evaluation Office. These entities play crucial roles in research, planning, and program evaluation. The transition from the Planning Commission to Niti Aayog represents a paradigm shift in India's governance architecture, emphasizing collaboration, innovation, and inclusivity. While facing criticism, Niti Aayog continues to evolve as a dynamic institution, shaping India's development trajectory through cooperative federalism and strategic policy interventions. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/IS Companion.